7 Advantages of Brick Homes. Dear friends, brick has been used in construction for many years, and for good reason. Homes with brick exterior offer a world of benefits. Brick is durable, long-lasting, easy to keep up with, and brick also increases the value of your property. Brick tends to be more expensive to install than other exterior options, and requires a strong drainage system to avoid issues relating to water damage. The extra work associated with creating a brick exterior is surpassed by superior qualities. If your home is not made of brick, you can add brick siding for added benefits, including increased insulation and style. Here are the top 7 advantages to a home with brick exterior. Brick is strong and durable. When it comes to the exterior of your home, you want a material proven to stand up to the elements. Brick is strong, able to take many hits and blows without wavering in defeat. Bricks don't decay or dent, and termites have no interest in eating baked clay. For centuries, brick remains the leading material in regards to remaining ageless. Brick is easy to maintain. Brick homes are not maintenance-free, but they are easier to maintain than homes built from other materials. For one, bricks do not show signs of dirt or wear and tear as quickly as other materials. If taken care of promptly and properly, brick buildings should continue to hold up well for many more years with very little maintenance. Bricks offer greater insulation and temperature control. Brick is very different than other insulated siding used for buildings. When brick is placed around the exterior of a building or home, it provides an extra layer of defense against the temperatures outside. Brick buildings have such excellent thermal mass, even your energy bill will notice a difference, as you won't have to rely on artificial heating and cooling as much. Brick increases home value. Brick costs more to install than many other materials, but it pays off by maintaining its value. Since brick is low maintenance and long-lasting, people are willing to pay more for a home with quality brickwork. In fact, some estimates pin the actual increase in property value from brick at around 6%. Brick is not only reliable, but it is also attractive, and draws attention better than other materials, increasing the likelihood people stop by your open house. Brick helps block out the noise. A quiet home both inside and out is important for peace and for your privacy. Bricks are dense, granting greater soundproof qualities for any building as opposed to lighter materials. Airplanes flying overhead, road noise, and even noisy neighbors are more likely to be silenced by brick than other materials. Brick is also helpful if you are throwing your own party and don't want to disturb the neighbors. Brick is fire resistant. Bricks are more fire resistant than most other building materials. It takes brick far longer to catch fire because brick is made from non-combustible materials. Brick offers endless design possibilities. Bricks come in a wide variety of styles, shapes, and even colors. No two bricks look exactly the same, giving each brick building its own character and charm. You can get creative with brick design, playing with different decorative effects and brick orientations. For instance, vertical stretcher courses, corbelling, racking, and banding are different ways you can place bricks to give a completely altered appearance. Brick is a classic building material, but it can also be made to appear modern and new, granting you endless possibilities when it comes to the exterior of a building. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.